Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, broskies and sisters, to our reaction channel. And if you're just seeing this channel for the first time, let me officially welcome you. So, first of all, happy Christmas to everyone out there who celebrates Christmas. And if you didn't know, on this channel, we react to funny content from TikTok. And I did try to react to music by Whiskey. He just dropped a new EP. S2, and I did try to post the video, but it got flagged for copyright. So we will react to more music though. That won't stop us. We will see if I would definitely react to music and see how it does with the channel. If y'all want me to do more, I'll do more. But if y'all don't really feel it, because I don't want it to be like a TikTok reaction channel and then a music channel, but we will see anyways. But today we have a new content from TikTok, Nigerian TikTok. So let's check it out and see if we can find some funny bits. I'm ready for some laughter because I've eaten way too much than I should, so I need to, make them digest quickly.
Sir, so if you globetrot and peregrinate onto these locus and envelope, you can see that the dimensional array is well packed and there's no gridlock. So let me show you this part
Jesus.
and also this part.
Hey! What are you people doing in my land? Okay? Why are you people disturbing the peace and tranquility of this compound? This is the only property my late father left for me before he died. I don't joke with any of my father's property.
Sir, please.
Oga, any compound you wanna see, when I go rush, enter inside, they disturb people. Oga, me wanna come out here.
A minute, please, sir.
I don't need to see you. I don't want to see you. Make una come out for here.
Sir, are you the owner of this property?
Yes.
Oh, sorry. Sir, we don't mean to disturb you. Actually, we are skit makers, Nollywood. We're just making a movie. That's the cameraman.
But this is not how to do it. You would have informed me. I'm the landlord.
Oh, sorry. When we actually came, we did not see the landlord. That's why. We would have called you. Yes.
Just skit makers.
Yes.
I love skit makers. I love comedy. You people are really trying. It's my compound. You can continue your job.
Okay, we should go on.
Carry on.
Okay, please, on action. Oh, where's the actor?
He's not here yet.
Are you?
Hi. Okay, sir, please. You said you have a passion for acting, and our actor is running late. I don't know if you can just step in for him and just act, since you love acting.
I have passion for acting.
Okay, so this is what you're going to act. On action. Please, where's the document?
Sir, we forgot the document.
This is very bad now. Sir, please, we need your help. Since you're the landlord, I don't know if you have the original documents of the property. Let's just use it as an act, because we're shooting with Hollywood standard. Everything needs to look real. So if you can just bring the original document, let's just use it as an act after you just take it back.
Yes, the original document today. That is all you need, Abi.
Thank you very much.
No, I deal with you people.
Everything for you. Wow, such a nice man.
He's going to get scammed, right? Yeah.
This is the document. The original C of O.
Wow, that's wonderful.
I love acting.
So this is what you have to do. It's not a very hard role. So on action, you're acting as the landlord of this property. So on action,
He is the
walk over
landlord.
to that man and tell him, sir, I want to sell my property for you for the rate of 1,000 naira. After telling him that, you give him the papers to sign. After he signs, he will give you back. You also sign. Then he will give you 1,000. Then you will now shake him and say, thanks for doing business with you.
That is all.
That's just it.
Sir, I want to sell this property to you at the rate of 1,000 naira. You sign. I sign.
Yes.
Give him the document. He will give me the 1,000 naira.
Perfect.
After the shooting, now I will hold that one.
Oh, he saw yours. Sorry.
Okay, that's no problem. Let's go.
Camera, please, warm up. Witness, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Please, let's
There's even the witness.
on action, you start. So you're ready. Cameraman, please make sure you capture everything. So on action, as I told you. So let's go. Rolling. Action.
Sir, I want to sell this property to you at the rate of 1,000 naira. This whole place. You will sign here.
You have him on camera, they have his signature, they have everything. You cannot say you did not sell it.
Cut. Yes, you sign too.
Where?
Sign here.
Okay.
How stupid can you be?
Okay.
You give him 1,000, the land is gone.
Yes. Nice doing business with you. Hey.
Yo.
In on the cross gate. Oh. Hey! Come back now.
Hold on now.
Okay, don't enter motor with the document.
Yes, now he has bought the land already. He has to go now.
Huh?
What do you mean? You just sold the land right now for 1,000 and you've signed. He signed. He has to go with his papers now.
How? I'm just an actor here.
Please make sure you vacate this land because in the next 2 hours we are coming to excavate this place. We want to start building the property.
You send a movie you they shoot. Which kind talk be this one?
Which movie? You've sold your land. There's video evidence. DOP, you got the video, right?
Yes, sir. Everything is recorded.
This is also a witness, and let me warn you. This is Professor Baisa Titus, the academic juggernaut, an erudite egghead, and a long-headed apparatchik in this whole cosmopolitan metropolis. I've been in the law profession for over 16 years. If you want to contest this case with me, you have to pick between Kuje Prison, Kirikiri, and Zone 6 in Calabar, which of them you'll be spending the rest of your life is, if you want to contest it with me. Vacate these premises now. Gaga Twan Gaga.
That's crazy, bro. That wouldn't even happen in real life. And that's mad.
Come on, keep your hand on sister. Today I go chop you like moi moi. Now that girl I tell you where they come. That one I done the date since over 8 years now for Facebook. So this is no. People like say she don't reach. Hello? My gate. God have mercy. I'm coming.
Turns out she's a catfish. Bro just got catfished. What happened, bro?
It's me now. Why are you doing this?
Come inside.
She's fine.
Have a seat. Fine girl. I don't mean to hurt you. You know, you have seen where I'm living. You know, since 8 years now, this is our first time seeing each other. With what I'm seeing here, I can't afford to maintain your beauty.
He's being honest.
Money. I'm poor. You are more beautiful than what I saw on your profile. I don't mean to disrespect you. Please, take your leave.
Jesus. Baby, why are you saying all these things to me? I'm not here for your money. I love you for who you are. I am rich. Oh, before I forget, I even bought you food on my way coming here. I know you might be hungry.
Oh, wow.
That reminds me. Here is sum of 100 million naira. Manage it.
What?
100 million.
But babe, I need you to do me a favor.
Anything for you, babe.
I need you to do me, you know.
I don't understand. What's that?
Let's go inside now.
Hey, this is sweet. You get food, you get money, you get the coochie. That's hey. I don't know nobody who would turn that one down. No cap, bro.
Baby, you're
Too many
sweet.
boxers is he wearing?
Babe, I need you to do me one more favor.
Anything for you. Do you know what is 100 million?
I need you to follow me to my kingdom.
So your father na king. Now you there the disguise. I be done the reason where you get this 100 million from. Your father must be a good man. I have to follow you to the palace to see him. Eh?
No, it's not a palace. I'm from Marine Kingdom.
Bro, I wouldn't mind.
And guess what? You're the chosen one.
God forbid.
I swear I wouldn't mind, bro.
When I don't tell another person choose papi.
Wait, Papi, now. Papi! Oh, your game don't enter. Man City don't play.
You know they see me here, guys. Talk to me.
Papi!
He cannot see us. We are invisible.
Hey, Man City don't play 2-2. He be tell me, say, make I play this game with him. When he take from playmaker tips, I no gree listen. Hi. How many million win? Hey, Papi! He want to smart me. No be me.
Madam, you better make me visible. You overheard him. My game don't enter. You know, since why I don't play game, they rip me. Until I jam play mega tips. They are the best football and sports prediction platform. And to join them is free. Just click the link on my Mokason bio or comment section. You join them. Look at my sleep. 400 million, and you don't enter. Let's go back to the earth and enjoy our money. Okay, is it because of the 100 million you give me?
There is no going back. My queen mother is here. We are about to move.
Nah, that's crazy, bro. That's the most unlucky thing that could happen to anybody.
Chama, come on your leg now. You know they look where you dey mash. Sure.
Why is he wearing just one shoe?
When you are found.
I do. But I'm making me that my boyfriend was saying, you really bust my head. Everybody bust my head. I too love you.
Where you?
Now you say go marry me so.
Bro, this boy looks like Portable. Why does he look like Portable, bro? And why is he wearing just one shoe? Why? That doesn't make sense. How would you bring this one to your brother and introduce him as your boyfriend? I'll break your head. I'll break his head too. And I wouldn't break your head. I wouldn't break anybody's head, by the way.
When you want marry?
And I was make a first show you.
I found out Chama.
I bam.
Bam.
Call your name now.
Maybe Ogbagala, aka Ogba.
If you call her Ogba, they call her Ogba. They sit down, man.
Ogba is my romantic name.
Ogba.
Yes, Ogba.
But what you gonna do for a living now? What you want to feed my sister if you marry her?
I import and export.
You're doing too important export.
Yes.
You're doing too important export.
Yes.
What do they export? What do they import?
What do you import and what do you export?
Igbo, cannabis.
But that was your friend say, if you come and come by
I load your mat, eh?
Introduce
I was not expecting that, bro.
This side. Can I tell my back?
Bro, what?
I boy your mat, eh?
But then
Dress
we
tall
love
like
ourselves.
this.
We know they live ourselves. Now why one near me? I bet.
This kind of person you want marry?
Can you come marry me? No best.
You search for me.
No.
Come inside. Come inside. You see person when all the young one leg of shoe. And one leg of shoe they wear, they can't marry the cousin now you want marry.
I talk up.
Chairman, move.
I want to make me love her be that. Now wait till I
Until you
start
go normal,
becoming more.
Until you go normal, no one they see the name my sister. You hear me? First start maybe they wear 2 leg of shoe before you come back. There they go find another.
I mean they take care of that now junior brother for primary school. I mean they take care of
Go find another the other leg of your shoe where you wear before you talk to me.
My love.
They go.
Come, where you leave on.
Where you? You dey come with me, Abi you want stay with him?
But baby, no, I love it. I want to come with you. No, you go marry me. Better let me make the phone.
Leave on how you dey go. See the wall you are better they smell safe. You enter the house. You know you can't enter the house.
Baby, I love
Now
it.
because we are better, Abi.
But I love everything about this guy. You.
If they born you will cross this place. If they born you will cross here.
You see the kind of person where you say you want marry.
Now, so if the verse is no good, now why?
If they born you will cross here, and the verse and they shake. If they born you will cross, and they chop man bio.
Bro.
Don't do.
Chama, you carry this your brother.
I go do sound though. My sound no good. I go do sound though. You go run though.
Both come out, yeah.
I go do sound though.
Baby, this boy no well.
I go do
That's
sound
bottle.
though. My sound no good.
You dey break bottle for me.
I go do sound.
You dey break bottle for me.
I go do sound.
Wait, the break bottle for me.
Baby, calm down.
Where they suck this guy safe.
Babe, no, my brother. When you saw this boy,
Hey, he carry gun. He carry gun. Oh, he carry gun.
She gotta go. Yo, nah, that's mad. How you couldn't even bring that kind of guy as a boyfriend?
My name is Sabalo. I've come all the way from Nigeria to teach you English.
Sorry, sir. Please, it's not calm. It's calm.
It's the accent for me.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you too. I've come all the way from Nigeria to teach you English. And most of you here, I know you are going to be a doctor.
Sorry, sir. It's not doctor, it's doctor. Yes, please.
Okay.
You're shocked.
So, as I was saying, most of you here, you are going to become a doctor. Some of you will become a lawyer. Some of you will become politicians. And some of
Excuse me, sir.
Politician.
Did you just say politician?
yes, politician.
No, please, it's politician.
Politicians.
You would be so frustrated. You want to teach them English, but they are even correcting your pronunciations, bro. I would be so frustrated. But Ghana, though, bro, I have to visit Ghana at some point, bro. Like, Ghana, your ladies are like one of the finest in Africa, bro.
Sorry.
In the world, even like no cap.
So most of you will become politicians, and some of you will become pastor.
Pasta,
And
pasta.
It's pasta, not pastor.
pastor.
Pasta. Pasta.
Wàhálà ìwé lè sùn.
Some of you will become pastor. And not everybody will make it in life, because some can be conductor.
Please, it's
Conductor.
not conductor. It's conductor.
Conductor.
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you.
Okay. Some of you will be conductor. And you, why are you laughing? Is that funny?
Funny, laughing,
It's not funny. It's funny.
funny,
Thank you.
Whoa.
funny.
I think it will be difficult to teach this class.
Yeah,
Since you guys know more than me, everybody outside.
funny else. Everybody outside. Nah, Ghana. I have to visit Ghana at some point in my life, bro. For sure. Oh, that's the last. That was short. That was short. I hope y'all enjoyed that one, man. That was funny. I like that one. I like that one. Like I said, I have to visit Ghana at some point. Definitely. So I hope I'll see you guys on the next video. And once again, happy celebrations and bye.